In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Minecraft Pocket Edition easily on your phone. If you want to play online, join servers, or sync your progress, you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. So let's get started. First, open Minecraft Pocket Edition on your device. Once the game loads, look at the bottom left side of the screen. You'll see the Sign In button. Tap on it. Now tap on Sign In. Now Minecraft will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you already have one, just enter your email and tap on Next. Next, enter your password to log in. And if you don't have a Microsoft account yet, no worries. Just create one real quick, then sign in, and you're ready to go. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to this page. Just tap on Let's Go to finish the login, and you're all set. And that's it. You're now signed in to Minecraft Pocket Edition. If you're not sure how to create a Microsoft account, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.